Hi everyone, this is Regina and I'm on my day 7 of the 90-day Reels challenge. And today I will talk about who supports me in this journey. And as you know guys, I don't have a supportive husband on my journey of online digital entrepreneurship. This is basically my solo in this household, my solo flight in an online digital business owner, but I actually have thousands of support. I belong to a huge global community that is supporting me in every angle on every aspects of my online digital business journey. So if you're someone who wanted to do something different and you think your spouse, your partner, or your friends are not supporting you to what you want to do in life, join in our global business community because here we have mentorship, we have coaching, we have global community support 24 hours, 7 days, and you're gonna find yourself your family, a new extended family, a new set of friends and a lot of friends. You will be surrounded with people of similar mindset like you. So sign in on my website and I hope I can guide you. You start your own online business, even if you are on solo flight in this journey to entrepreneurship. Sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com.